All right, I think we're ready. Let's get started. All right, today we are making the ultimate protein unsteak burger. Let's get started. We're starting off with our Beyond Meat, and we're gonna add in our pepper. This is gonna get a little bit messy, I'm pretty sure. But hey, that's okay. A little bit of steak seasoning. The TVP, textured vegetable protein. A little bit of liquid smoke. Yes, smoky. Steak sauce, the steak sauce. We're gonna add in our garlic, already chopped up. I'm gonna do about a half of an onion, which is already chopped up. Let's not forget about our nutritional yeast. What makes this thing a super protein burger is not only the nutritional yeast, but the textured vegetable protein has a lot of protein in that. So I'll have that information for you. So we're gonna mix and mash this together. We're gonna add our scallions into our meat. We're gonna mix everything just until everything's combined. We wanna make sure that it's all combined, mixed together evenly. Okay, now that that's all mixed together, we're gonna take our bread and we're gonna add about 3/4 cup of plant milk. And once we add that together, then we're gonna take a fork and mash it together until we get kind of a paste-like texture. One thing when it comes to substitutions and alternatives to when you are making any kind of plant-based or vegan dish is to kind of know your substitutions and the amount. If you learn what to substitute, this is easy. Learn your substitutions. Once you learn your substitutions, anything is possible. We're then gonna actually combine the two together. I'm gonna mix that together evenly, combine it evenly. That's the key word, evenly. It smells quite delicious. Take the meat, meatless meat, and you're gonna form a ball, okay? Depending on how big you want it. Divide it up, set it aside so you can see how I'm doing that. See how it's kind of sticking together like glue? Sticking together like glue. Now, if you don't like getting messy, then you might as well go ahead and pass this video up, because even when you're prepping, you just want to make sure that your food, when you're prepping, that it looks good, it looks nice. That just confirms if you're going to have a nice dish or not. I mean, don't be no sloppy cooker. Don't be no sloppy prepper. Don't be no sloppy cook. So next, we're going to actually grease our skillet, and you're going to want to flatten your burgers. Now, honestly, you can do more than one burger at a time. So let's go ahead and flatten that burger. And we're going to grill these burgers covered on the first side for about 2 to 4 minutes. And let those brown. While our burgers are cooking, I'm actually going to go ahead and get started on my vegetables. I'm going to take a little bit of sesame seed oil. And I'm going to do a layer. This dish is about to be fire. Over top. Red cabbage, red pepper. So this vegetable mix is actually going to go with the wild rice mix the wild rice is already prepared, and then of course our burgers are going to go over top, because this is a naked unsteak burger. So vegetables will be the second layer of the dish. I'm gonna add a little bit of Swiss chard to the mix, which is my favorite. Roll it up like a cigar and cut it. Not like a cigar, right? So like I said, our burgers are going to be cooking for 2 to 4 minutes on each side. So doesn't that look gorgeous? I'm going to add a little bit more sesame seed oil over top. That's a lot. That over here, uncover a medium-high heat. Now it's important that you keep an eye on both your burgers and your vegetables because you don't want your vegetables to burn and you don't want your burgers to burn. So now we're going to go ahead and flip our burgers. These are looking great. Those are a little well done on that side. Those bad boys got done quick. Our vegetables are looking fantastic as well. Now here comes the fun part. To layer it. Okay, first we're going to start off with our wild rice, which we're going to lay on our plate. And usually I do this a little bit better, but I didn't have time for it to cool. Layer it with your vegetables. That looks delicious. And then we're going to add our burger. Bam. Now I'm going to add a little bit of parsley. And there we have it. Our naked burger. Now you can add pickles, whatever other garnishes you like. You can add steak sauce, you can add for steak seasoning, you can add pickles, whatever you like on your burger, you can add it. Now you know how to make an unsteak ultimate protein burger. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to visit JessicaTaylorNewLiving.com so you can get this recipe. And I'll see you next week on Flip That Fish.
Yeah.